How to find notifications history on Udemy, easy and quick. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to find notifications history. First open Udemy and then put your mouse on your profile here in top corner, and here we'll find notifications. Now just click on it, and as you see I don't have any notifications here, but you will find it. Just click on it, and that's it. And I hope that can help you. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.